Okay, so as far as diagnosing my burning clutches and my super dry clutch, basically the oiling of the clutch happens through this center of the output shaft here, and the tolerance between the pull rod and the output shaft, where mine doesn't have, I can't feel any wiggle there, allows oiling of the clutch from the center, and it'll spin out. So anyway, I thought it would be interesting to see if this is actually getting fed any oil, and start the engine with the clutch cover off, because that's always interesting, seeing what's going around. But if there's oil spraying everywhere, then I'll shut it off straight away, and I'll be holding this in the whole time, because if there's pressure behind it, I'd imagine oil will fling out and it'll push this out. So anyway, here goes nothing. Let's start it up and see some mechanical action. Let's hold that in. That's really interesting. So there's no oil flinging around, but I can feel the oil. Definitely there's good oil pressure pushing out on the pull rod, and it was actually springing it out depending on how hard I was pushing against it. So there's definitely oil pressure behind there. If I wasn't holding it in, this whole thing would have 100% been pushed out by oil pressure. But yeah, I mean, there's no oil, significant oil, or really any oil being pushed out around this thing to feed the clutch, at least in that small amount of time that I was trying. So interesting.